Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make money online in the ease of your own home. Yes, and one of the platforms we're going to be using is a platform that is called UserTesting. So we're gonna head over to Google and find out what actually is UserTesting. Let me quickly say, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do give me a subscribe, like this video, save, and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Let me also quickly say that with this form of making money online, you can actually earn up to $10 per 20 minutes of your time. It's UserTesting. This is the question. So UserTesting is a platform for getting rapid customer feedback on almost any customer experience you can imagine, including websites, mobile apps, prototypes, and real-world experiences. You will receive audio and video recordings of real people from your target market speaking their thoughts as they complete tasks you specify. So now let's go ahead into the website of usertesting.com and find out how can we actually sign up to become the user tester. So all you need to do is you go to Google www.usertesting.com. We are here on their platform and we expect to get a lot of information here. So it says trusted by leading brands. That means this website, this platform is a trusted platform where you can actually earn between, you make up to $10 every 20 minutes. Multiply it so that we actually know what we stand to make if we decide to take this user tester on board. Now you make $10 per every 20 minutes. So 60 minutes, that would be $30, yeah? $30 for 60 minutes, which is, yeah, 1 hour. So let's say you're able to put in 6 hours. That means that would be 30 times 6, isn't it? That's 180 for 6 hours. Now, if you're making 180 for 6 hours, let's say you're able to put in 5 days. So that would be 180 times 5, and that would be 900 a week for side hustle. Now, let's multiply this by 4 weeks in a month, and that will give us 3,600 for a side hustle, guys. We decide to take. So this is worth trying out. This is worth checking out. You see. Now moving forward, we are here. You can see all the trusted. They're trusted by leading brands. These are the brands that trust this user testing: Microsoft, Subway, Walmart, Zendesk, Alaska, ATB, Canva, GoDaddy, you know, so many of them, HelloFresh and all that, so many of them. Now let's check how it works. This is it here. This is where I'm looking at how it works. So how does this user testing work? So it's a target diverse audiences, right? Quickly find and reach your target audiences from any of our purpose-built or partner networks. So if you're interested in that, you click here that says learn more. Just get started with this. If you click here that says start here, up here, this one, if you click on start here, it says choose your path, money online, get paid to text. So let's click on this one because that sounds like what we want to do. Now over here it says get paid text. This is where I'm looking at, get paid to text here. So it's a boost your monthly income in your free time. The way you get started is here. You have to add your email address. Now when you add your email address, You click here that says, I have read and agreed with the terms of use and our privacy policy. Then you click on get started. And this is more information here, how it works. So the first one is how to apply here. Apply, it says submit your email and take a quick practice test to join a global network of trusted contributors. So the moment you're gonna take a quick practice test, yes, so that practice test, you will not be paid for that. Remember, it's part of the signing up process. Earn extra money online in your spare time. Learn how you can share your perspective to help brands build better products and experiences. If you want to make money online but don't want a full-time gig, consider a side hustle as a user texting contributor and get paid to text. Right? Now you add email address here. You select that you have read and agreed with the terms of user and their privacy policy. And you click on get started. This is the application process here. And this is the texting process. And this is the make money online. How soon can I start earning money online as a user testing contributor? Okay, this is a very good one. It says once you've completed each step on your applicant checklist and we've approved your practice text, you will be able to view available tests from your contributor dashboard. Our customers post new text every day. And then how are they going to pay you? They pay via PayPal. If you're registered with them, you would have to supply your PayPal account. Now, irrespective of wherever you are in the world, you can do this, but you need a PayPal account. So with your PayPal account, they pay your money in every 2 weeks. The second website we're going to be looking at today is respondent.io. So this one, respondent.io, is about surveys. They give you surveys, you complete the surveys, and you get paid. Here we are. And what do these people actually do? It says matching researchers with participants, right? Let's check a little bit. Let's get a little bit of information about them. How can we actually make money? Make up to $10 per every 20 minutes using respondent.io. It's a leading research teams choose us to find research participants. So you can see so many teams that use them, IBM, all these teams use them. Online surveys. Find paid online surveys and get money to your PayPal. When you sign up to the platform and you find a project that interests you, a project that you like, all you need to do, you apply for that project. So when you apply for the project, there's what they call the screener. So when the screener goes through your profile and sees that your profile matches the participant they are looking for, they will give that survey to you. Started, you click here, recruit survey participants. This is for people that want survey participants. They click here. But here, for you that want to do surveys for respondent.io, you click on get started. Type of research, you can narrow it down by remote, in-person, the audience, industry professionals or consumer, research methodology, one-on-one interviews, focus group, and all that. But here we are interested in surveys, isn't it? This is the surveys here. You select that one. Now, incentive, if you want surveys that are less than $10, you select this. If you want between $10 to $50, you click on that. You select that one. If you want between $50 to $100, you select that. if you say seeking full-time professionals for 10-minute survey, and that 10-minute survey, how much are they going to pay you? $40 for 10 minutes survey, right? If you're interested in it, you click here that says apply. How does participating in a paid research project work? How much can I earn with respondent incentives, and how long does it take? Let's check on this. Research incentives vary from one research project to another and can range from $5 to $1,000 per project. So this is another way you can make money online in the comfort of your own home using just your mobile phone. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do give me a subscribe, like this video, and click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So having said that, let's go to the third way we can earn money online in the comfort of our own home. So the third way would be a website that is called TestingTime.com. It says recruit text users. For those that want to recruit text users, become a texter. Here it says calculate price. Let's click on calculate price and see what that says. Set up your recruitment, name your project. Okay, so this one is for people that are looking for testers. So let's leave that because that does not apply to us. The one that applies to us is the one that says become a tester, because we want to become a tester to earn money. Okay, we recruit your perfect matches. Okay, so let's click on become a tester. But first, let's check out the companies that work with them. ASOS, Microsoft, Deloitte, AXA. Now, the moment you click on become a tester, this is what you find. It says, tell us more about yourself. To make sure that you are the right fit for a study, we will ask you some questions when you sign up. This will take less than 5 minutes. And these are the companies you might test with. Right. So this is how simple this one is. Give feedback and have an impact. You see? This is how simple and easy this is. So you sign up here as a tester and that's it. Let's go back to where it says become a tester. That's where our interest is. This one here. Let's click on this and right. Sign up now. Now, the moment you click on become a tester, this is what you find. It says, tell us more about yourself. To make sure that you're the right fit for a study, we will ask you some questions when you sign up. This will take less than 5 minutes. Your answers and data are secure and will only be used to match you to the right study. So basically, their signing up process is not a hassle. Just 5 minutes or at most 10 minutes, but they said it will take less than 5 minutes. So that means it's a pretty easy way to sign up. Right. So let's say you've signed up. What next? It said here, we invite you, you decide. So they invite you after you had signed up, but you will be the one to decide whether you want to participate in that task or not. So it says, we invite you, you decide. When a study is available, we'll send you an email invitation. We'll ask you a few more questions and check whether you fit our customer's required profile. Yeah? If you are a match, we'll invite you to participate in the study. If you accept, you can pick a day and time that suits you. So this is just good because You are not pressured to do this at their own time. You do it at your own time, the time that suits you, the time that is convenient for you. That's when you do this. So they get a study, and what they do based on your profile, the profile you submitted, they check if you're a match for that kind of study. If you are, they will send you an email, and if you are interested, you respond, and they will take it from there. The moment you respond your interest, they will invite you to participate. Now, when they invite you to participate, you don't have to do it the time they want. No, you do it according to the time that is convenient and the time that suits your needs. You see? So, I mean, this is pretty good. This is really, really good, you know. If you have other things in your hands, you don't rush, you just do it at your own time. So it says, give feedback, have an impact, and get paid. Basically, that's it. The moment you accept the study and you've done the job, you give them the feedback. Because remember, it's survey. You give them the feedback. When you give them the feedback, and they'll pay you. So get text apps. Yeah, you're gonna be texting apps, websites, physical products, gadgets, food, and many other things. We will be the first to discover, or you will be the first to discover future products and services, and you can influence their development. In addition, you will receive appropriate compensation for your efforts and insightful feedback. Check out the study example. Okay, so you do the study, give them feedback, you get paid. Job done, everybody happy. And if you're not sure how you can go about this, they have study examples here that you can have a look at. So you do that, and these are the companies you might test with. Right. So this is how simple this one is. Give feedback and have an impact. You see? This is how simple and easy this is. So you sign up here as a tester, and that's it. Okay guys, let me quickly say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Like this video to encourage me, and when you do, YouTube is gonna push the video for other people to see. That way you are encouraging me. And don't forget to click on the bell notification so that when I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So I'm wrapping this up here for today. I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial on how you can actually earn money in the comfort of your own home. And I gave you 3 platforms that you can use to do this, and how easy it is, how to sign up, how to go about it. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Are you gonna give this a try? If yes, let me know how far you got, and if you have any question as regards to this video or any other video I had done in the past, please let me know in the comment section. And once again, thank you for sticking around with me, and thank you for watching this video. Your time is so much appreciated. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.